Hello guys, it's Steve here. It is Saturday, July 1st, 2017. The fire alarms are going off at my apartment. I just got done doing a review video, but hear this? Let's record the fire trucks. The last time I recorded the fire alarms was 2012 when they went off. That was the last time the fire alarms went off here in my building. Comes to fire trucks. Cat. Loud, ain't they? I think there are more sirens. Probably just a false alarm. Usually the fire alarms go off all the time at the building next door. It's always a false alarm. Same, usually when they go off in my building, it's a false alarm as well. I don't know why they go off for no reason, but they just do sometimes. There are more emergency vehicles coming. It's down that way. Maybe there's a fire, I don't know. Maybe somebody burnt their toast or burnt their dinner. Or maybe it's just a false alarm. Maybe somebody pulled the alarm. I don't know. For the most part, I'm guessing it's just a false alarm. God, my ears are ringing. I would go in the hallway, but I don't wanna. It's just way too loud. Fireman at the fire extinguisher. Well, I don't know how to pronounce it. You know, this thing. And the alarms are off. Yep, they just turned the alarms off. Can't hear anything now. Yep, the alarms are off now.
We're gonna take police reviews. Oh yeah, we're just
Yep, they're off. So hopefully this is just today, and because the last time they went off, well, they probably went off later after the last time I recorded the fire alarms. I was just in school or not here doing other things, but last time I was here when the fire alarms went off, they went off like for an entire week straight, but I only recorded 2 of them. But they would usually go off every single day at the same time. Hopefully it doesn't happen again. I mean, if it does, then I'll, it'll be good because I'll have videos. I'll record it every day if the alarms go off every day. But there are the fire trucks, paramedics. I wonder if the ladder is going on the roof. Because I remember those 2 fire alarm videos I recorded in 2012 when they went off. I remember one fire truck would they would put the ladder on the roof. They would go on the roof. I don't know why. There wasn't a real fire. They were false alarms, but I don't. Alright, they should be leaving any minute now, but the battery's low. It just died a little bit. It just died, and I charged it for a minute. But, yeah, this is the video. The fire alarms are off now. Let's, once again, I think that's the firemen. But, yeah. See you later, guys. Goodbye. Hope this was entertaining for you guys. It was for me, but goodbye.